fire up the B unit anyways, because he wants to open up the wings.
So if you're pushing snow in this thing, is it freezing in here or is it hotter than hell?
The boiler back
It's
here.
hotter than hell in here.
There's a stepbrother. In other words, their father was married and his first wife died. And then, so his first son was raised.
This is put on by...
Shot up at the front. And the this is the rebuild on the spreader. It's quite a bit different than what it used to be. And back you got the steam boiler. A little bit more of the boiler. Not quite sure what that is. That almost looks like a horn. But there's all kinds of little goodies down here. These are the steam controls down here. There's controls up in the cab up here that control these solenoids here that open and close and direct the steam to various locations. Looks like they got a motor down here or something. And another shot of some more of the components over here. I'm not really sure what this is. This is steam or air or what. But we're still back in here with the boiler. There we go. We found a new attraction inside the Rotary. We've got a stainless steel shitter back here. This is badass. All it's lacking is steam on it to keep it warm. Drive motor section runs.
Oh, here comes one of the retired guys.
The blade.
How you doing?
Okay, they started up the B unit now. What we're going to do is we're going to move out one of the wings on this here. Let's open it up a little bit on the front of the Rotary.
Yeah. Because it's unique, it's custom stuff.
That gear train is supposed to be 150,000.
Two of the old school ones that will be our backup. That will usually run these back to back. So we'll have these two units. So the Rotary and its B unit, and then another Rotary and B unit with two SD78.
Camera we were doing, so I showed it my idea.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think what we're going to do here is we're going to use the left wing control, the right wing control. We're going to open the right wing. We can't open the left because we got an adjacent track over there. Maintenance away needs to get in and out.
Now these,
Are they, they got a rod across?
well, there's no rod across, but I did.
They got a block?
pull the clutch out.
There's a mag on it.
Probably don't have enough air.
That's valve on it.
I was gonna get out and push that thing.
We lost the line.
Okay, we're back on the what is it, the 207, the Rotary that just got rebuilt. Trying to put some light on it. In the back here, these are the traction motors. They're normally under the locomotive, and they've adapted these over to run the plow, the rotary blade. So you got one on the left here, and one on the right. Now, actually, I'm facing to the rear of the locomotive here, so the front of it is to my right. And then they come up here through the bearing blocks here to this transmission or coupler or whatever it is. And I have to put some light on it so to see it because it's dark down in here. I'll try getting rid of that for a minute. Okay, now we're good. Okay, so this is the gearbox here that couples one motor to the other motor. Comes up, and right here is the other end of the pillow blocks, I guess it says. So you got the gearing is inside of this device right here that's covered up. Up here is the shaft, output shaft, that goes up and out the front to the circular blower blades. So I want to get a shot of this while there wasn't anybody in here. The other day I had trouble getting in here and getting some clear videos to show you all how this works. I can go down a little lower here. There's one motor back there. Here's the other motor over here. So that should be that.